Moon is in the seventh sun. But Cody, there's only one sun. What? Hey, there's only one Stanley Marketplace too. And that's where we are right now, getting ready for a big event. Aurora Borealis. That'd be a beautiful girl's name, Aurora. Isn't that Aurora, Diana?
Yeah.
Diana's a pretty name too.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, you're an artist.
Yes.
Diana Merkel, nice to see you.
Yeah,
You're going to be part of this craziness. Now, the Aurora Borealis event for Aurora is in October.
Correct.
So we'll see you then.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. But we're here today at Stanley Marketplace because we're like previewing the event.
Exactly.
I guess the bottom line is we got to sell some tickets.
Yep.
Hey, but you're an artist.
Yeah.
You created those.
I did.
Tell me about the event. First off, tell me about the event itself, the Aurora Borealis event.
Sure thing. You know, I was one of the artists that was there last year. I had sort of this orb garden of sculptural things that you could get inside, woven with thousands of feet of paracord. And we had 6 of those, so people could kind of play in the art. And I mean, there was an amazing stage with music and lasers overhead and this cool vibe, like a total experience.
I think you guys even brought in some UFOs, which I thought were very interesting too.
I mean, we tried.
Now that being said, oh, look at the repair crew. That's their new uniform on the right, by the way.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's called the Short Pants Repair Crew. Now that being said, it's here at the Stanley today. What's happening and what time?
Sure. We have a press release event.
The mayor's going to be here.
The mayor's going to be here. Yeah, of course. At like 10, I think.
Mayor Kaufman.
Yes, of course.
He's a nice guy. I shouldn't editorialize, but anybody that served in the United States Marine Corps and the United States Army is okay by me.
Well said.